So now we'll be solving question number 3 from previous year questions from chapter called Laws of Motion, Phase 1. So this is a question which came in 1992. An idea. Okay, let me read the question. A car is moving in a circular horizontal track. If the car is moving on a circular horizontal track, the centripetal force is required, or centripetal acceleration will be there towards the center. Okay. Of radius 10 meter with a constant speed of 10 meter per second. The speed is constant, the moment speed is constant for the car. AT is 0, the initial acceleration is 0. As we know, during the circular motion, acceleration, we take it as AT plus AC. AT is responsible for changing speed. If U is constant, speed is constant, AT is 0. In that case, net acceleration is centripetal acceleration, which will be acting towards the center. The plumb bob is suspended from the roof of the car by a light rigid rod. The angle made by the rod with the vertical is. So let's assume this is the roof of the car. And this is the rod. And the center is somewhere here. This car is moving like this. The center is towards the right side. This rod is making an angle theta, and that's the angle we need to calculate. So let's show the forces. The tension will be in the upward direction and mg will be acting downward in this case. If I make the FBD, the upward direction, the force will be T cos theta, and horizontal, it will be T sin theta. By balancing the force, this bob is not going in the vertical direction. So by balancing the force, you can get T cos theta is equals to mg. And that will give us the tension as mg by cos theta. Now, along the horizontal towards the center, the force is T sin theta. And this is the force which will provide the required centripetal acceleration. So this T sin theta, which is providing the required centripetal force, which in turn will provide the required centripetal acceleration, will be equals to m into AC, which is b square by r radius. Now let me put the value of T here. So that will make is mg by cos theta. You multiply it with sin theta, so sin theta upon cos theta will be tan theta, and that is equals to b square by r. MC cancel. Tan theta is coming out to be v square upon r g. The speed is given in the question, which is 10. So 10 into 10, v square, divided by r. Radius is also given, and that is given as 10, multiplied with g, that is also 10 in this case. So the value is coming out to be 1. So tan theta is coming out to be 1. It means the theta is 45 degrees. If you check the options, option C is giving you the right value. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you.